We will try how effective to use Math Playground. We will try this. So you just need to select a game. There's a lot of game here and you just need to explore to see many games. And we choose the race. This is race. All you have to do is maybe add or subtract. There's any choices and koan and you just need to choose it if it is multiplication ba or addition or subtraction or etc. But basta it is all about mathematics. You just need to wait. Yes, we have here. We are grade 1, so we're supposed to grade 1 here. So 10 plus 53 equals 63. Choose 10. Just find the answer. It is addition. We'll just add it. 43 plus 26 equals, and another 25 plus 54. 61 plus 36 equals 97. Yes. Just need to faster our answer para tayo yung mauuna sa race. We're about to finish na, and who is the winner? So we are the winner, the grade 1, and the computer, the AI. So we will try another game in Math Playground. So ang napili natin is multiplication. So grade 1 is our name. So punta ka lang kayo dito sa Math Playground and you can see many games. So mag-start na yung game. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 9 equals 9. 7 times 1 equals 7. And 7 times 4. 9 times 2. What are the answer? Yes, it's 18. This game can enhance their learning and their different skills. So we must integrate these games inside the classroom para fun and interesting naman yung klase ni teacher. Madalian lang natin yung pag-multiply para tayo yung mauna. If mali yung answer is mahuhulog ka sa ice. So mapupunta ka sa water. You will multiply lang ng multiply so you can get the correct answer. So, sadly, we're fourth placer. We will try another game. We will just choose another game here. And I think it's race. Another race. So, paunahan naman tayo dito. And play. Our green player is grade 1. And the game will start. 1 plus 5. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 plus 4. 11. 4 plus 1. 1 plus 8. 3 plus 1. 1 plus 2. And so on. We will just click the answer. 6 plus 11. 4 plus 9 equals 4 plus 4 equals 8. And the winner is the AI, and we're just a fourth placer. So you can play again if you want and find another.